Alright guys, welcome to Gclean Tech World, and in this video I want to show you how to install live chat on your WordPress website. So this is our WordPress website, this is our backend and this is the front end, and as you can see we do not have any live chat on this website yet, and that is what we're going to be doing on this video. I'm going to be showing you how to install the live chat. So without wasting any much time, let's get into it. So now to install live chat, we have different live chat platform. So let me show you. So we go to plugins now and click on add plugins. You see and search for live chat. You discover that we have numerous live chats. So it's now up to you to now decide which particular live chat you want to go with. So basically we have different live chat platforms like, so let me search for live chat now and you'll see. So we have different live chat platform that you can use. As you can see, we have talk.to, live chat, we have Chatway that you can see here, we have 3CX, we have TDO, we have Smart Up, we have we have various live chat platform. So, and these are the major live chat that I normally use. I use talk.to, I use TDO, 3CX, and Smart Up. I use Smart Up. Then Jivo, I use Jivo as well. So you can use any of them, but in this video we're going to be covering Smart Up because I believe this is the most popular one right now. So I'm going to show you how to use Smart Up on WordPress. So now, if you want to use Smart Up, it's not hard. So all you have to do is just come to plugins, just like you search for live chat. In case if you can't see Smart Up, you can just search for it specifically by typing it out here. So, but make sure you are typing out the correct spelling. So we have Smart Up. So I'm going to install it. Then I'll click on activate. So right now, let me scroll down. As you can see, we have Smart Up here in our plugins. So if you want to set it, because it can't work yet, so if you go to our website, we discover that it's not yet working, and the reason is because we need to set it up. And how do we set it up? Number one, you need to go on to the platform website to create an account there. So now let's click settings right here. Yeah, so as you can see, we are here and it says create a free account. So you can easily create an account with SmartUp directly from here. So I'm just going to quickly do that. So I'm going to put in the email I want to use to create the account. So I'm going to use my Gmail. Then I'm going to put in the password I want to use. So let me type in the password. Create a free account. Yeah, so the account has been created successfully. Says all set and running. Congratulations, Smart Up live chat is already visible on your website. So now let's click on chat with visitors. It should take us to the Smart Up website. As you can see, this is the Smart Up website. So if you want to track the chats you're having with your clients, you need to log into your account that we created on Smart Up. So but before you log in, let's check our website. So I'm going to reload. So by the time we scroll down, it should pop up now. Yeah, as you can see, it is now showing automatically. So this is it. So that's as how easy it is. So I'm just gonna log in now. Yeah, so now you just need to do all this setup very quickly. You just choose live chat, then click on let's get started. So that's all. So you can close this. So now if anybody sends in any message, you're gonna receive it directly from your SmartUp account here. So we can quickly test that out. So I'm just gonna copy this website. I want to open it in a incognito browser or another share, so that we will display as a visitor on the website. And one thing about this SmartUp is that it helps you to track as well. Like for example, if someone is visiting your website, you can see it on your SmartUp dashboard that someone is actually visiting your website. So you can leave all of these ones. So this is inbox. Let's go to inbox. Now let's assume this is the visitor. So let me send in a message. Hi. Hi. So you see I got a notification, and as you can see the message here. So I can easily reply. Hi, how can we help you? So this visitor is also going to get the reply. See, hi, how can we help you? Got the reply. So you can then proceed to continue this conversation. So it's as simple as that. And that's what we do in this channel. We simplify every web development process for you. So in my next video, I'm going to be dropping how to install the live chat on a PHP script. Like on a coded website, like with HTML, CSS, PHP, and JavaScript. We just covered how to do it on WordPress. So stay tuned. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to install it on a PHP script. And in the meantime, you can check out my other videos on web development, how to build different types of websites. So that will be all in this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, and see you in my next video.